Hey guys, it's Anthony at Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. We're on our Runnemede site. we're pulling in the home base now, which that means we're finishing up the project. The last task that we got to do as far as finishes are concerned is the backsplash. Today we're doing the backsplash. We just want to kind of take a look at what we got here as it relates to the backsplash. Kitchen's looking pretty good. So there's a lot of tiles to choose from for the backsplash in the kitchen. We're really not sure what we're going to do. There's a lot of blues and stuff in there in the property, so maybe something like this. But you know what? I think because the star of the show in that kitchen is the countertop, I think we're going to go with something that's like a basic subway tile. Selecting the subway tile was a good selection. It allows the countertop to be the star of the show. What I mean by that, it makes the focal point the countertop. So we're happy with that. We're happy with the accent piece. You can see here the accent piece that we put above the stove. It plays well on the blue cabinets at the bottom, and actually with the rest of the house and the gray tones and the wall color, the gray tones in the floor color. So overall, the countertop and backsplash installation, it went pretty good. If you haven't liked our channel, please like our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give us a comment. We'd love to hear what you got to say.